Guys, an awesome tip for those of you looking to build strength and size in all areas really. I've done it today with bench press, and good tip, guys, is just stick to what I call stick to the bar. So I picked up this technique off Zach Evernish, and the principle is you just pick 1 or 2 movements and do your full workout. Like, take your time, do your full workout on those couple, 2, 3 movements, but go intense. So let me tell you what the problem is normally, is people try to add too much. People successfully create complexity, training routines, with nutrition, within businesses. These are things I'm guilty of. Okay, so all these videos I'm doing are all, the message is in your mess. So things that you struggled with in the past, when you learn from it, that's where your message comes from. So as I was saying, today's session, so proper warm up on the bench press, and then worked up to kind of 100 kilos, then worked up to some sets of 3 to 5 with 100 kilo plus 25 kilos of chains on. This has been supersetted with lat pull down. You could do it with chin ups. If I was at our other gym in Manchester, I'd do it with pull ups. When I'm at Wigan, training at Wigan, I like to take advantage of like the lat pull down and a couple of the machines we've got here. So yeah, supersetting it. So set on bench press, a set over on lat pull down. Now, sticking to the bar just means I've not tried to cram too much in. So I've been here 40 minutes, and they're the only 2 exercises I've done bar warming up. Done kind of some good build-up sets. Did some peaks at about 3 or 4 heavy sets, round about 125 kilo mark, including the chains. And then I came back down, did like a max effort of 100 kilos, then a couple of max efforts of 60 kilos, and reduced the weight on the lat pull down at the same time. So I was getting more reps in. So not only are you hitting more, you're stimulating more muscle fibers because you're working for strength, you're working mid-range, and you're working high reps. So that's going to facilitate growth and strength increase and fitness increase as well, because it's quite taxing. Not only that, guys, the biggest thing that I like is that you can't hide in the complexity. So if I'm coming in and I'm trying to do bench press with lat pull down, 3 or 4 sets, then I'm trying to go to incline dumbbell press and do that with some type of rowing movement, 3 or 4 sets. And I'm trying to do some kind of pec fly, some kind of rear delt fly, a typical chest and back routine most people do, myself included, by the way. Then that's okay, because you're going to get the volume in, and that's good sometimes to do it like that, and probably most of the time it's good. But this technique, guys, you can apply it to deadlift, you can apply it to squats, pull-ups, overhead pressing, bench pressing. Just stick it, it's what I call sticking to the bar. So it's just by saying I'm going to eliminate how much I'm doing in order to focus on what I am doing to a greater extent. We see it in business as well. I'm guilty of this. We're trying to run Google AdWords for advertising. We're trying to run Facebook ads for advertising. We're trying to do organic marketing. We're trying to do leaflets, flyers. And sometimes it's a case of focusing on 1 of those or 2 of those, and that's where you're going to yield your biggest results, because you can put the effort in and go really deep with it as opposed to going really broad with it. Nutrition, we see the same. The thing with nutrition is people kind of put off doing the work of eating what they should be eating and not eating what they shouldn't be eating, and they put off doing that work because they're spending a lot of time in that researching mode of reading about what diet they're going to do on Monday, speaking to friends about what diet they're going to do on Monday. And all the time, this new diet is like the mirage in the desert, isn't it? It's the rainbow, the pot of gold. It's never there. You never find the bottom of the rainbow. You never get to that mirage in the desert. Same thing. So stick to a few basics, guys. Knuckle down, work hard, and let me know your results, guys. Okay, good luck.